Today is Lisa Bailey, now is Prince, yeah?
Yes.
Bailey.
Right.
She is a former bronze medal Olympian from Barcelona,
That's
I believe.
correct. Yep, 92.
So, first question: how is it like to play for Lionesses, and are you satisfied with performance of your team today?
Yeah, we've got a really blend of experience in the squad in different age groups. We've had a long day. It's been a long day. We played well. We could have played better in the first half. We stepped our game up in the second half. But we're looking forward to tomorrow's game. It was a physical and demanding game. Croatia played exceptionally well, I have to say. And on reflection, I think they deserve the win. But as I say, we'll get our own back tomorrow when we're fresh.
Yeah. So I was planning to ask you what's your opinion on the Croatian national team, and can you make some suggestions where can they improve?
Well, we came over, I think, about 4 years ago. I think we beat them 8-0 quite convincingly. We've noticed a massive improvement in the way that they play, the way that they've developed. Their fitness, their skill set is a lot stronger. So I think we kind of underestimated them a bit today, and they were a lot stronger than we anticipated. I think they just need to now, in terms of improvement, need to start playing more matches with as high intensity as what they've played today, and that can only bring on their performance and their play.
Mm-hmm.
So yeah, it was good game.
Thank you. And what do you think about umpire? And can you compare umpires here today and in England? Let's say.
I think there must have been a few cards given out in England. It was I think there was a few challenges where it should have been stamped out early, and as the game went on, it got more and more physical. So I think we just need to, both teams need to calm down, control our aggression. And then perhaps the umpires stamp down on some of the physical activities that are going on the pitch.
Mm-hmm. And for the last question, I think your nickname is Princess. Can you tell us how did you get your nickname?
It's because only my surname is Prince. So,
in Prince, but
yeah, that's
you married for a prince, but you're a princess.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you for the interview and have a pleasant stay in Croatia.
Thank you.
Look out, a super guy!